Hey guys, what's up? So it's already a very nice afternoon and we are here with our one and only champ, Joshua the Pacio, as he will be teaching us the
hanging monkey.
hanging monkey. Alex. So, this is what he was supposed to do in his last fight with Saruta, but you know, he knocked him out. So, he's gonna show us what he was supposed to do, and it's called the hanging monkey. So, let Joshua speak from here.
I just call it the hanging monkey because like it's part of our training, hanging
And then the monkey.
the bar, like 20 to 25 minutes. So I just name it after that exercise. You can do it here in our naked position. Rear naked position. So grab the hand on like this. It's like a reverse guillotine, so you can finish it. Okay. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. That was good. That was good. It cracked
It's
my
like a
neck.
reverse
Guillotine.
guillotine, and you can do it
While standing up.
standing up.
I'm the monkey
So
right
hard.
now because I'm big.
Bam, bam. He's holding your hand. Bam, bam, bam. Punch and boom. Sorry.
Yeah.
Like that. So it's like a simple reverse guillotine from the rear naked position. That's it.
And that's the hanging monkey from Joshua the Passion. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook pages, follow our Instagram account, and don't forget to subscribe to our Patreon at teamlakay.net.
We fight from our heart and win for the glory. We gamble in darkness and make our own story. Dream big and don't be afraid to fly high. We offer our faith with the Most High. We fight from our heart and win for